Unlocking English. Dive deeper with turn down. Hello, English learners. Today, we're taking another exciting leap into the world of phrasal verbs. We'll focus on a common phrasal verb that uses the word down. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's turn down. So, let's dive in and explore the meanings and usage of this versatile phrasal verb. When we say turn down in English, it might mean more than one thing. Context is crucial for understanding which meaning applies. Typically, turn down could mean 1. To refuse or reject something or someone. For example, she had to turn down the job offer because it required too much travel. 2. To decrease the volume or intensity of something. For example, could you turn down the music? I'm trying to study. Remember, it's all about the context. Now, let's practice using turn down in sentences. This way, you'll not only understand it better but also remember how to use it effectively. When refusing or rejecting something, I was so excited about the promotion, but I had to turn it down because it meant less time with my family. He asked her out on a date, but she turned him down. When decreasing the volume or intensity, the soup is boiling too fiercely. Turn down the heat. The TV is too loud. Can you turn it down a bit? While using turn down, be careful not to make these common mistakes. 1. Don't confuse turn down with turn off. While both can refer to a decrease, turn off means to completely stop something, usually a device, and turn down means to reduce or lower the intensity. 2. Remember the verb tense. Don't forget to change the verb tense according to the situation. For example, in the past tense, we say turned down, not turned downed. That's it for today's lesson on the phrasal verb turn down. Keep practicing this versatile phrase, and don't forget the context. Remember, practice makes perfect. We hope this video has been helpful in expanding your English vocabulary and understanding of phrasal verbs. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep turning down your fears as you improve your English skills.